Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. Today we are going to talk about some amazing automations which can be created very easily with the help of Pabbly Connect to automate all the repetitive tasks of our operations team and also at the same time to enhance their productivity. So these automations are related to order delivery scheduling, automating maintenance requests, resource tracking and even related to workflow updates and management. And the best part is that all these automations can be easily created without any coding or programming skills. And if you also want to learn these amazing automations, for that you have to come towards my screen. In this video, we are going to explore some game-changing automations that can elevate your operations team's productivity. And I have created all the automations without any coding or programming skills with the help of this amazing automation software Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect allows us to connect different applications without the requirement of coding in it to automate all our tasks easily. Okay, so this is the home page of Pabbly Connect where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, you will find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in. But in case if you are a new user, you have to click on the sign up for free button to create your free new account. Also, when you will create this account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. As an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. And this is the all apps section where you will find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. Now, because we are going to use Pabbly Connect to create the automations, therefore we have to click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard. So on this dashboard, we can find all our workflows which we have created. And we can also create different folders over here to save our workflows separately. Now, I have already created a folder for the automations related to operations. So I'm going to select this folder. And these are all the automations, as you can see, that we are going to understand today one by one. So first of all, let me open this first automation. Automate delivery schedules with Google Sheets and WhatsApp. So if you are working in operations team and if you want to automate the process of order delivery for your customers, then you can create this automation by setting up a simple connection between Google Sheets and WhatsApp Cloud API. Here I have created a database which contains the details of the order. So as soon as I'm going to enter the details of the order which is being placed by a customer in that spreadsheet, along with all the details such as the price which is paid, the expected date for delivery, the details of the customers as well as their address, then automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to that customer that their order has been processed, and the message will contain all the details related to their order and also the expected delivery date and time. Okay, so in this way you can very easily create this automation to send WhatsApp message to your customers as soon as the order will be placed, that when and at what time you're going to deliver their order. That means you can just add the expected delivery date, and this process can be easily automated. So once you will set up this connection, as soon as the data will be added related to the order which is placed in the Google Sheets, automatically the message will be sent to the customer that the order is being placed and the expected delivery date will also be mentioned in that message. Okay, so this is the first workflow. Let's move towards the next automation for our operations team. The next automation is that how you can automate the entire process of maintenance requests with Google Forms and Google Sheets. Now again, if you're working in operations department and you want to automate the process of maintenance requests for different kind of equipments which are being used in your organization in different departments, then you can use this automation. Here you just have to set up a connection between your Google Forms and Google Chat. Now I have created a Google form in which I have mentioned all the details related to the different kind of equipments we have in the organization and different departments of the employee. Now, whenever an employee from a specific department is going to submit the request in Google Forms regarding the maintenance of a specific equipment, then automatically a message will be sent to my team members on Google Chat space with all the details of the employee and the equipment for which he has demanded the maintenance. Okay, here you can see that this is the form response which I have received, and these are the details of the employee, the date at which the form is being submitted, maintenance required for CNC machines, and the details of the maintenance is machine requires cleaning. Now as we have received this response, a message is sent on Google Chat space with the message, "Hi team, I hope this message finds you well. We have a new maintenance request that requires your attention. Here are the details." So the requester name is given over here, machine for which the request is raised, description of the request and the urgency. Okay, and you can see that some details are entered manually over here, but some details are mapped. So mapping is inserting data from previous step. Here I have mapped the important details which are going to be changed by using my previous response so that it has become dynamic now, and with each and every new response it is going to be replaced automatically. So in this way we have automated the entire process. So whenever a form will be submitted a new employee with a new request, then automatically a message will be sent with all the new details to the team members on Google Chat space. So this was another another automation which you can create. The third automation is related to resource tracking. So if you work in a department or your designation is related to the resource tracking or your designation is related to the tracking of resource of the organization, then this automation is definitely helpful for you. Now here I have just set up a connection between my Google Forms and Google Chat once again. Here I have created another Google Form which contains the details of the resources. Now, whenever an employee from a particular department is going to submit this request for the resource which he wants, then automatically according to the details of the request, and the person who has submitted this form will be sent to my team members in a form of a message on Google Chat space. So you can see that here is a message, new resource request received from this particular department. I have mapped the details over here as well. I am writing to inform you that we have received a new request for resources that requires your attention. Below are the details of the request. Here is the requester name, requester position, that on which position he is working, email address of the person, okay, phone number, and resource type. So the resource type is related to software over here. So we are going to receive different kind of requests from different departments, whether it is technical department, marketing department, finance department, and etc. So we have mapped the data so that a customized message could be framed according to each and every request and according to the department, and it could be sent automatically. Okay, in this way you can create this automation for your resource tracking. Now we will move forward towards the next automation. The next automation is related to the workflow updates. So by using this automation, you can improve your workflow management. To ensure a proper workflow of production and order delivery, you can create this simple automation where you can set some standards or some specific parameters according to different kind of works, and you can add the details in a specific spreadsheet. Now, whenever an order detail which is being delivered will be added in that same spreadsheet with all the details by an employee, then automatically a message will be sent to your operations team members that the order is being delivered. So this is the message. Hey team, just wanted to drop a quick note to say a massive congratulations on delivering the order flawlessly. Your hard work and dedication are truly appreciated. Let's keep up the great work and continue to exceed expectations. And here are the details of the order. So the name of the industry, this is the order ID, the quantity which is being sold, that means which is being delivered, procurement of the material, whether the procurement of the material is made, yes, production planning is made, whether the manufacturing is successful, whether the testing and quality assurance is made for that product which is delivered, warehousing and inventory management, order fulfillment and shipping, and order delivered. So whether all the parameters which you have set are being checked before delivery of the product or not, this message will be sent on the Google Chat space. So here I have also applied a filter condition that if the order delivery status will be yes, then only we want to continue this work. So the employees are going to enter the order details regularly, but if the order will be delivered and the status of the order will be equal to delivered, then only I want to continue this workflow, okay, because then only we can check the parameters whether they are successful or not. In this way you can create these amazing automations. These are very simple and all are created without any coding or programming skills. As you can see, we have just used simple applications such as Google Sheets, Google Forms, and Google Chat to set up these automations, which are generally free of cost. And in order to learn these automations step by step, you can just follow the videos on our YouTube channel Pabbly. And also very soon we are going to release more amazing videos related to the operations management, and in order to enhance the productivity of our team, you can definitely check out those videos as well. And until then, stay tuned. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.